So let's take a video, unboxing video for this hard drive that we have bought. So because it states here that please do take a video while opening this package. This will help us validate your concern with regard to your order. Okay, all sides of the parcel must be shown. Ayan, so very good. So let's have the unboxing. Because if ever this has damage inside it, so we can easily return this to the supplier, or we can claim that this will be replaced. Okay, so this is the hard drive. Okay, this is the wire. This is the hard drive. Seagate Seagate type, and then here so in order for them to see also, so I have to let them see the numbers here. It's video 3.5 HDD 500 gigs SATA. So yan, so whenever I put this also inside the this one, the NVR, they can easily identify that this was actually the HDD that I've put inside. Okay, and then let's try if this works.